Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
How green card holders can legally lose their status, the legal process, and the case for pursuing citizenship amid political uncertainty. Lawful Permanent Residents, LPRs, or green card holders enjoy the privilege of residing and working in the U.S. indefinitely. However, this status is contingent on adherence to specific legal obligations. With the potential return of Donald Trump to the presidency in 2025, concerns about heightened immigration enforcement and policy shifts have resurfaced. This analysis explores the legal grounds for losing LPR status, the associated processes, and why pursuing U.S. citizenship is a prudent safeguard against political volatility. Grounds for losing LPR status. 1. Abandonment of residency. LPRs risk losing their status if they reside outside the U.S. for over a year without a re-entry permit, or 6 months if deemed to have abandoned residency. Extended absences may prompt U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, to question intent during re-entry. Factors like family ties, employment, and tax filings can rebut abandonment claims. 2. Criminal convictions. Certain crimes, including aggravated felonies, drug offenses, and domestic violence, render LPRs deportable. Even misdemeanors involving moral turpitude, fraud, can trigger removal. Notably, retroactive application of laws may affect older convictions. 3. Immigration fraud. Material misrepresentation, falsifying documents during applications, can lead to revocation. USAs may uncover fraud years later, initiating proceedings even for long-term residents. 4. Failure to update address. LPRs must report address changes to USCIS within 10 days. While rarely enforced alone, noncompliance can compound other issues during legal proceedings. 5. Voluntary relinquishment. Filing Form I-407 formally renounces LPR status, often done to avoid tax obligations or comply with foreign laws prohibiting dual residency. Legal processes for revocation. Abandonment. CBP or USCIS may issue a notice to appear, NTA, leading to immigration court hearings. LPRs can present evidence of U.S. ties to contest abandonment. Criminal grounds. DHS initiates removal proceedings where LPRs may seek relief, cancellation of removal, or challenge charges. Fraud. USCIS may revoke status administratively, with appeals possible to the Administrative Appeals Office, AAO, or federal courts. Voluntary renunciation. Submission of Form I-407 to a consulate or border officer finalizes relinquishment. Trump's potential impact in 2025. During his first term, Trump expanded enforcement priorities, targeting minor offenses and reinstating the public charge rule. A 2025 administration could similarly direct DHS to broaden definitions of public charge or moral turpitude, accelerate removal proceedings and expand expedited removal, increase scrutiny of LPR's compliance, address updates, tax filings. While legislative changes require congressional approval, executive agencies can reinterpret existing laws aggressively, creating uncertainty for LPRs. Citizenship as a safeguard. Naturalization offers irreversible protections. 1. Immunity from deportation. Citizens cannot lose status except in rare fraud cases. 2. Political rights. voting rights, and eligibility for federal benefits. 3. Eligibility requirements. Typically, 5 years of residency, 3 if married to a citizen, good moral character, and passing civics/language tests. Why act now? Processing delays. Naturalization can take 12 to 18 months. Applying early preempts policy changes. Political climate. Anticipated stricter enforcement under Trump underscores the urgency. Legal security. Citizenship mitigates risks tied to evolving immigration policies. Conclusion. While LPR status is legally secure under current statutes, political shifts could expose green card holders to heightened enforcement risks. Historical precedents suggest that a Trump administration in 2025 may prioritize aggressive interpretation of immigration laws, increasing vulnerabilities for LPRs. Naturalization remains the most effective strategy to ensure permanence in the U.S., offering stability against administrative unpredictability. Eligible LPRs should proactively pursue citizenship to safeguard their future.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.